Hello everyone, welcome to 72's. The oldies is the goodies. This is real Australian cars. Ford Falcon AU 2001, if I think. And I think it's Series 3, it must be 2001 or 2002, okay? Don't be wrong. But this one have the VTEC engine, that means VCT. It's like VTEC anyway. It's the oldie goodies. My brother used this car for every week from the coast going to from where we live about 240k. Every week go back home to Sydney and pick up his groceries for his business. But it's the goodie and goodie. Today bring here for Simon to upgrade the front shocks. We have already 2 new front shocks because bouncing. And the main important is when he drive a car, he noticed the front bearing make the noise. So it's about time to get 2 front wheel bearings replaced. And exhaust a bit leak. I started up. We'll let you hear. The cell is awesome, but the leak on the exhaust doesn't matter. We will fix that one. But you'll be surprised. The car done this many K and still original everything, okay? With the air conditioning still work perfectly. No complaint about the Ford. It got a very good air conditioning, man. Trust me. And especially Ford, we driving like we said, the temperature never go past the R. Just about R and to the M and to go down. It's really good. We've been driving in Australia. All our family been driving a Ford for more than 30 years. Like driving here in Australia. Yeah, see? We cannot complain about the old car, right? Inside the car, automatically C4 and driving very smoothly. Everything still works perfectly. Nice dashboard. See, very nice. My brother installed all that bloody blue light, but he a bit off for himself. But I like the way this one. See, you can dim it. See, beautiful for the old car. What you expect for the technology and see the speedo, the tackle look awesome. I love the way it look. And 4-liter overhead cams, and he got the extractors. That's why it's making a little bit noise. But look, see. I love it. And airport, man, beautiful. Very fast. VCT. And have to find out where the leak and do the welding for him. Front bearing and front shocks. The car go like new engine, you see? You see? How quiet this one, how good the engine is. Perfectly. Okay. Let's do the car. Here's the new bearing hubs turned up. You can buy many different choices on eBay. Cheap one, good one, shit one, whatever you name it. But if you buy a brand like this brand, a good one, and you can see the finish, the way they make, and the bolt here for the stud. See the bolt stud here? It's good, strong, heavy duty, stronger steel. So that's why it lasts longer. So that's why we have to pay for what you pay for, what you get. Okay. Now we're going to install this whole hub on. To make easy enter, okay? Take it up to easy enter your hand onto the bolt, 4-bolt with the holding the brakes for the socket server. Number 15, same socket to go in here first. We need something like this for 15 to go in. You go this. This go quicker, okay? Using 15 go in like that because it's a deep socket, deep bolt, so I can get in by little hand. So using this one first, break them all out. Navy standard xr6, they got low spring. This is heavy duty, red one. And they have the socks. We have to replace the socks here and take off the caliper and see the bearings. It's a bit noise. Both all this come out, the disc come out, and then we can do the bearing. While we're doing that, we take off that and replace this one. Okay. Your Ford, you need this one, like a Toyota. See the spanner to hold it there and take it up. It's like Toyota. Still using the old dish, so we put in. So want him one more year, replace brake pads. This one easy come up. So another 13. Take 2 bolts here. On the Ford, this one look doesn't secure like a Toyota because the old school. So it's using very small bolts. This bolt with the thingy, they're using 24 on this end and 22 on the other end. So it's to hold it there, and 22 on this end. See, they're using big bastard one. Undo it. That's it, to hold your hand there. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, bolt in here, bolt still in here. Knock it up if you want, like that, or you got a hammer. Go for it, okay. You go for it. Okay. Now we can take off this one. But I want to put the new bearing on first, and low control ball joint still good. This one's still good. The rubber not broken. This one's still good. And what we do is clean the ABS sensor. So later clean this one for the ABS sensor too. You see how much dust stuck there. Clean it too. Now we knock this one out. There's the big bolt inside. Take it off and wax the new one on. Okay, here's the hub, right? Now we do a hit flat screwdriver. Do from the caps. This is the cap that every car got it. It's still on original cap to stop all the dust and water get away. Bolt that we need to take it up. See, take it up. All the way out. That's it. See, simple as that. And now we do it to pull it out. See, when we got that out, pull it out like that, and get a good clean. And see, grease, clean this one. New one. So this is the new one. See, this is the new one. See how it look. And all we do is just slide right in, and make sure we get all the dust out from the ABS sensor. It's only the magnet there, 2 magnet pickup. For the magnet pickup, that's all. And it should be going. See, go in like that. We come out here a little bit. Not too tight. In the red or too hot, go in. Feel by hand, just go in until you see this one spinning smoothly. See? That's press the cap back. Make sure the cap have to be in there to stop the rust it out, especially where he lives down the coast. Oh, knock it up. See, it comes up. And we need the long crowbar by yourself. A little bit hard. This one a little bit hard if you do it by yourself. Okay. We need to push this one down. Push this one all the whole way down. The sway bar so strong. You can take this one off to make the sway bar come on the different side, and you can tilt it down a little bit better for you, okay? If you do lazy way like me, yep, see, you can push it down better, you see, with the bar, and you'll be laughing, okay? You are laughing down, you see, come down, because the sway bar is a lot. See, behind that wire, okay? Little pro bar, little bar, like this one. Like this end, go behind here, don't hit the wire, the ABS sensor. Here we go. Now we can take it up from here. Now we have a push all the way out. Okay. Okay, how you get back out? That's how you get back in. Push it down like this, see? So take up the sway bar bow mounting here. All we do is lift up and get the right shocks replaced and put on table. So it's not like Honda or Toyota. So the best way you know in the middle center of the bolt, go all the way in, and then you line up this one, and that's your target to go out here and to here, and you in the middle. Drop and press it down, and then release. Drop and press it. Should be all right. Go up all the way. Now we can take this one out. Get up, and yeah, that's how they go out. That's how they get back in. Easy. So this one, you need double press. Go on the floor, and it come out. So we need the this one, oven, throw there. So go in. Come on, go in. Forgot one thing. This one, go underneath. The very big bolt, go underneath here. They're using the very big bolt. So the big bolt underneath, the small bolt on the top. But see the rubber hole, new. The rubber in last, okay. See the, and you pump it up to make sure that gap go in down here. So now all the way in, pull it in the center, and it come up itself, like that. See, beautiful spring. And this one just go in like that, and this one, new one, it go up like that. The sharp edge go up, the shiny one go down. And we're using the new bolt or old bolt, up to you. So if you want to use the new one, use the new one. Look like we are happy cow. Go in. Okay, slowly. How the AU and BA the same, okay? If we are using the same technique like me, we are much easy for you, okay? Very much easy for you, go like that. Even by yourself, okay? You slide this one on first, on the position. Where is this one here? Go on the position first, like that. And then use one hand, push this one down, and push this one down, and up. You see, you have nothing to worry. You slide up this way. You can use the old bolt because the oldie, the goodie bolts, okay? Be honest, the oldie bolt, the better. Swing this one over onto here, okay, and smash this one on. Put this one in all the way. Okay, make sure don't hit the ABS wire. And now what we do is put this one. See the shim we're talking about? The shim on this side. Oh shit! One big chunk of shim. See? They're no different. Okay, we going in like that. On this side and this side. On this side. All we do is hold it two hands, two punch of them, go together. Yeah, go in together. When you go in together, put your hand holding here and put some bolt on the top, and it should be holding there for you. Okay, go on the top. Okay, go on the top. Don't tighten in yet. Go one hand holding here, and one hand go underneath here, and tie them on by hand. Okay. See, all tight, and then now we can tie. Now we can tie this one. See, it's lift up more. So go like that. Only this one only go number 1 for me, please. If you go number 3, you may break the bolts. Okay. Number 1, done. That's it. Done. See? Done. That's it. That's enough. That's all we need. Okay. And should be lift up a little bit more, and will be more easy. See? This one will be online more easy for you here. See now. That one it go down a bit too hard to you to lift up. If you got the, you know, this one from the old car, old jack of the Ford or the Holden, very handy for yourself. You just turn them by hand, by this one, using your radar gun. It will, look, it will push up. So push up the sway bar. You see how it go, how it go in line. You see the sway bar, it go in line. You see, now we are tingle the sway bar back in. So that's how it is, you see. And then we can have to push up more because all the spring push down and go down very much. So what we do is go down a lot, you see. What we do is you see, until it go all the way in. You see, now it's on like slide itself, see? And then we can put it down with it very easy. Okay, next time you can do exactly the same. Check it out like this. And you can remove it too first. See? No movement, man. Beautiful. Now, easily you can take it out. Okay, good. Now take all the way down, and then you can do the same. You can do the same method to the other side. Put the jack underneath here, and then check it up. Take that one out first, and much easy loosening for you. Chop done like this. Shocks done. Front wheel bearing done. All we have to do is just have to weld the exhaust. Exactly the same side with this side. And here the crack on the exhaust that you hear the muffler earlier. See this part here, I have to get my MIG welder and weld it for my brother. It's been a long time and it's been, the whole lot been cracked out. So we have to do some welding and he'll be alright. Okay. Okay guys, thanks for watching Simon Tools. If you guys out there and have some old car like this, it could go forever, man. Okay, Australian 100% owned by this car. And the engine is 4 liter VCT. It's very good engine. Okay, see ya.